Here we are at Longleaf Pine Preserve. Nice bullet holes. About to go on another hiking adventure. We are in New Smyrna Beach. Would you like to say anything to the camera? Would you? Would she? Yep. Shall we go? Come here. Come here. Kiss. Got ADHD, dog. Come here. Stay. I'm getting all this on camera. I'm gonna have to get used to holding a phone like this. I think so. So we're at our first crossroads.
Still going straight.
Still want to go straight?
Mm-hmm.
That's the Pine Way.
I mean, that's flooded over.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's the way we came from. This is like the forest on Legend of Zelda. Not really, not yet. We haven't gotten that far and deep into the woods. But we're getting there. Welcome to swampy Florida. Looks like I'm about to cross this . You coming? Yes, I know. I should probably go fast too a bit. What the f she doing? Come on. You better come over near Massa. She like, I'm a dog. But you're right, at least it's dry. I was worried there for a minute. Because wet feet and socks is not good. Sayonara. Lesson 101 in hiking. Always, always, always cover your skin. Because you never know if you're going to get bit or attacked by bugs. Dress appropriately. Knees. Then you'll remember it.
I know,
A lot better.
he's a big hard-headed monkey.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the stubbornest of them all?
Mama.
No.
Stubborn.
My doggy right beside me. Where your doggy?
Try telling you that you want pizza on a day that we having shredded chicken tacos. Oh, stubborn.
Record that. Look who's going ahead.
I won't deny it, I'm a straight rider. You don't wanna fuck with me.
Where should he be? Tiger, come here. Come here.
What is he doing?
Well, ignore him. He's not leading though, so I'm gonna take the initiative. I hope you're recording this. It's good practice because people who can record and move on the go are so focused in the way that they're surroundings, and they're able to record at the same time, you know? I see why people, when they or don't get a camera crew, because the person who holds the camera captures everything and at the same time, you know, is moving and engaging because they want to see shit too, you know? As long as you're aware of your surroundings, you'll be alright. Like the unicorn grass. This whole thing has been unicorn grass. Literally. Tiger! Hey! Call him. Isn't that right, monkey man? And there he comes. Yes. I know you want to be leader, but that job's reserved for us. What? Oh. I know. Someone's focusing. Not really. That's a good human-doggy relationship. He trusts you. Well, he did. I'm just kidding. I call it unicorn grass. Ooh, if I don't fall over. What do you call it? Colored grass? Just like we're colored humans? That'll be in the bloopers, censored for all you politically correct airheads. JK. Grass doggy. Come here. Good girl, sit. That's a good girl right there. He's good too, but he's stubborn as hell. Just like Massa. Well, how do you think it fell?
I don't know. Probably a squirrel army don't jump on that thing.
A couple of squirrels for it to snap.
I said a squirrel army.
So it looks like they either got really lazy cutting the grass through here, or this is just a spot that's just flat. Because I don't know if you notice back there, the grass, it's tall, but then it gets longer. Like Bigfoot stepped down on here and smushed everything. So which one should we take? How's that difficult? Grass is pretty thick, but doesn't mean that it's not crossable. Don't be scared. Right? these birds. What are they? Buzzards? She. So, as you can see, grass is pretty tall, and I didn't catch it at the time, but Robert saw a black racer snake. So they are definitely out there in that tall grass, and we've got pets. We don't need these guys getting bit, and neither do we ourselves, even though we got boots. But you know what Woody said off of Toy Story. Hey, I ain't trying to get bit. Nice little water lily. Dingy's so quiet. It is. Ooh. Sit. I knew he was thirsty. She's not really thirsty. You ready? Perhaps it didn't cross my mind at the time, because I thought the other one was the first one, but it was only the one trail that led towards the pines, and these are two grassy paths. At least we're shaded from all the trees, because it'd be really hot otherwise.
If you had horses, this would be a cakewalk.
Yeah, but we can't put horses on an RV. Shoot, if you could trailer them, but then that'd be a lot, having to travel with horses. It's a lot of responsibility. That's why dogs are enough, and I'm happy with that.
Ready to roll?
Yeah, let me go get my sticks. I like how we're making a single file line. That's funny. And that's all, folks. Made it back to the beginning. Golly. Come on. Ooh. So, this preserve includes several natural communities, including mesic and wet flatwoods, cypress strands, domes and scrub. Wildlife includes sandhill crane, great blue heron, river otter, bobcat, coyote, fox, deer, black bear, and alligator. All we saw was a black racer snake. Not too many deer out. Well, there was on our last trip, our last hike in Tiger Bay, which unfortunately I didn't record. Ah, that's why. So, we are actually at this parking spot on the map because we walked, maybe not quite at the end of the trail, but we had to stop because the grass was too much. Yep. That's it.